Hi, Jasper here from Dynamics. Today I'm here to give you my 5 tips and tricks using Keyshot 10 Pro. Tip number 1. Materials can be edited and extra materials can be accessed using the Cloud library. You can also use texture maps to add even more material editing options. The ability to quickly and effectively edit a material to the intended look is crucial in preparing models for renders, especially in industry. Tip number 2. Having the Pro version of Keyshot gives access to animation functions and allows you to move the parts inside a model. This can be used to show the multiple ways a product can be assembled and allows you to cut corners by moving one part of a model instead of having to make a new model with each angle you want. Tip number 3. Very simple processes exist to create very advanced renders, like having a video play in your product during an animation. This can help push your renders to the next level very easily. Textures are a great example of quickly adding extra components like stickers to immediately add to the realism of the product. Tip number 4. The performance mode button will show you the most basic version of your scene, which can help if your computer is struggling to render in real time while you edit. This can often save battery life or even your time if your computer is freezing or lagging. Tip number 5. Under Edit, Add Geometry, you can add your own shapes inside of Keyshot, allowing you to create objects to help with lighting or improving your scene. This is another tool that allows you to quickly edit and add shapes, and further remove the back and forth of creating custom models every time something new is needed. For more information on materials and editing, make sure to watch our materials tutorial. Dynamics, where ideas are molded by experience.